As Sanbayaning Pizza Vusele, welcome to Two Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. It's been the Mpumelelo Msaleko posted this picture that got a lot of people talk. Even myself, I was shocked to see this picture, guys. So for those who don't know, it's been the Mpumelelo Msaleko. It's Mayeni's son, guys. Mayeni is the second wife of Musam Msaleko. They don't get along with Makhumalo. Yes, they do have a relationship. Obviously, they are sister's wife. They are forced to get along a little bit. And we know out there it's hard for Makhumalo, especially the fact that she doesn't have her own kids. Even Bilo, it's a stepdaughter. Pick up for this woman, guys. Most of women out there, they will hate their husband kids. Like they will literally hate them. And for Makhumalo to have such a great bond, and fans were really happy to see this together. They were in Sandton having some great time. And one of the fans say, "The mother I wish I had. You are blessed to have her, and she's a blessed to have you guys as a kid." And there's some saying this is beautiful, I love it. And someone was like, I wish I was Makhumalo, guys. So Makhumalo, she's a great personality. She's very beautiful inside and out compared to the other wife. I know how hard it is for stepmother out there, guys, and we have seen a lot of drama in Uthandweni Sithembu, guys. But there's one person that brings peace is Makhumalo. Is Makhumalo, guys. One thing I love about Makhumalo, we've seen her in many times, and she has proven